Hi, this is Neil, and today we're going to be doing an oil change on my Kung Fu Friend's 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Now here are the materials that you're going to need. So first you're going to need a funnel, then you're going to need a few bottles of motor oil, and then an oil filter, also an oil filter wrench, a T45 torque socket, a socket wrench, a T25 torque socket, some oil absorbing paper. We are also going to need an oil drain pan, a jack, and a jack stand. I hope you enjoyed this video. After jacking up the car, you need to remove the undercover with the T25. There are 3 posterior T25 screws to remove. And after removing them, which we already did, you can easily pull the cover off. After removing all 10 screws, there's actually one hidden screw back here. So after removing that with the T25, now you can pull out this cover. For the next step, you're going to need the T45 and the socket wrench, and also the oil drain pan. So first, remove the drain plug. And then let the oil drip into the oil drain pan. The next step is to remove the cover. Now remove the oil filter with the oil filter wrench. Now we're going to install the new oil filter, but before we do that, we're going to get some motor oil to lubricate the oil filter. Now install your new oil filter. Now reinstall the drain plug until hand tight. Then take your T45 torque socket and your socket wrench to turn it even tighter. And now you'll want to reinstall both of the covers that we removed near the beginning of this video. Now you want to reinstall the anterior cover that we removed earlier. So remember, use a T25 to reinstall the screws. Now use a jack and lower the car. Now get some fresh motor oil and a funnel and dump the oil in the funnel, which will lead inside the engine. After warming up the car for a few minutes, which we already did, make sure your car is level before checking the oil level using the oil dipstick, which is this yellow piece right here. So first, take it out and make sure to wipe it one time using something that can absorb oil. Put it back in. And now take it out a second time for a more accurate reading. Now, if you look closely right here, you can see that the max line is right here on the far left. And the oil is shown to be right on that line, which means that we are good. And finally, put the oil dipstick back in. And that's all that I'm going to show you for today. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like below, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Also, if you have any comments, questions, or maybe any compliments, make sure to type them in the comments below. Don't be shy, and bye. See you in the next video.